Welcome, Crypto Nation. Today's fight is a legendary match, a true fight between heaven and hell, of which we are but mere mortals to witness.
In one corner, we have the original cryptocurrency, the one to start it all, and the very reason that we are here today, Bitcoin. All hail the reigning king of crypto land. Oh my goodness, look at these two go at each other already. You can tell that there is a lot of history to these two, and it's getting ugly.
I don't believe it. BSV, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, a hard fork of a hard fork. The anti-doping agency has got to be suspicious.
The adoption hasn't exactly been going as planned.
Looks like a bigger size doesn't mean anything if it's not being fully utilized. It's not the size of the boat, it's the motion of the ocean. And the waves of monetary energy are almost exclusively in Bitcoin's corner.
So what went wrong? BCH is getting pummeled in the ring.
Do you take over Zeus? Bitcoin can be criticized as slow, but its network effect makes it the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching.